Penguins live where it's very, very, very cold, and they have to have some adaptations, some things that they change about their bodies to let them survive where it's very cold. The sound system projects my voice through the speakers that are centrally located in my classroom. This allows the students who are seated really close to me and the students who are seated far away to hear me equally well. I love it because I don't have to strain to project my voice to make sure that I'm heard by the students who are farther away from me.
Pineapple starts with P.
Very good, Jonah. Thank you. Good job. Let's give him a thumbs up.
So we're putting these systems in every school in the district, and we're working to put one in every single classroom also in the district. Currently we're in phase 1 of this project, and we have a few more classrooms to finish that installation. Then we're going to move into phase 2 and 3, and we should finish both those phases before students return in the fall. So every classroom in the district will have one of these systems, and if they don't, we'll be sure to find those classrooms that didn't get one in phase 1, 2, or 3 and go ahead and fill in those gaps.
My students have been very engaged. I've noticed a really big uptick in student engagement and student participation in my lessons, and I really think that's because they can hear me clearly, even through my mask, without me having to strain my voice. They're really engaged in my lessons when I wear the microphone. 9 playful penguins. Look who they meet. Just in the few days that I've had this, that I've been able to work with it in my classroom, I have really noticed such a big improvement in my teaching, in my classroom management, in my instruction time. I feel so fortunate that I was able to get this tool that I'm able to use every day that really, really benefits every student in my classroom.
Purple starts with the letter P.
Very good. Let's give her a thumbs up. Good job, Miss Elena. I just want to give a big heartfelt thank you to the district for purchasing these for our classrooms. It's made a huge difference, and I really believe that it's a tool that I will be able to use for a really long time that will really benefit these students and students that I have in the future.
Thank you.